make bubbles, we need liquid soap. Add some water and couple of drops of this. And mix it. Look what I have.
Wow, it works! Bubbles!
Yeah, let's play more. Wow.
Wow, this is a super toy. How did you make it?
I made it out of cup and plastic bottles.
Daddy, I need your help. Let's make a toy, please. Here.
But first we have to clean up.
Paper, here.
Plastic here. Hooray!
Wow, this car is awesome.
Let's have a race. Sorting trash is important.
And you can make cool toys.
Wow. Can I play with your slime?
No, it's mine. Can I take your sparkle?
No, it's my sparkles.
Kids, sharing makes plays more fun. Maybe let's try together.
Okay, Daddy. What? Oh no! See? Did you do this? Did you have nothing to do? Let's play. See? Come here. Great job! Wow, nice score! Well done, Timmy! Sister, help me!
Yes.
Thank you for the help, sister.
You're welcome.
Sister, help me get a toy!
Just a moment, I'll help you.
Thank you, you're so strong. Help!
Just a moment, I'll help you now. Well, that is it.
Thank you, Sammy, you are so brave.
A sister should always help each other.
What have you done? Mia, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. You ruined my bag.
Emma, what's happened?
I ruined everything.
Let's see what we can do.
Wow, you're a magician. Mia, come here. Wow, it got better. Thank you, sister.
Any problem can be fixed, especially if you have friends around.
No, I don't want meat. I want sweet.
Emma, it's important to eat meat. It contains protein and gives you strength and energy.
I get my energy from sweets. I have no energy.
And I have a lot of energy because I eat meat.
Okay, I'll eat meat. Delicious.
Wow, Emma, you've been jumping for so long. Where do you get that energy?
Oh, thanks to meat.
Emma, are you sad?
I'm bored and have nothing to do. Aha!
I have an idea for a game.
Which one?
You will see. Oh, that won't work. Let me show you how to do it right.
Okay.
When you sneeze, you must use a napkin. And cover your nose with it.
Aha! Thank you, I didn't know when. My prank worked!
Emma, your prank is not funny. I could have hurt myself.
Oh, please forgive me, I didn't want to.
Okay, but remember, your prank should be safe for others.
I understand. I don't want to go to school. I have an idea.
Sweetheart, what's wrong?
I'm so sick. I can't go to school.
Let's test you.
Ew.
You are totally fine. Yeah, looks like someone wants to cheat today.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I just wanted to stay home. I will not do this anymore. I promise.
Cheating and lying are very wrong. I choose to be honest.
Wow. What? Aha. Stop. Don't eat there, dirty. There are many bacteria there. Ew. Thanks, Emma, for the tip.
Emma, did you not put away the box?
Yes, I took it.
Why?
Because there are my things. I don't want to give them.
Honey, I understand you. Because there are things we don't need, so we can give them to the else who do.
I understand. Later, Papa, more toys.
You're so kind, and if you don't play with toys anymore or have clothes that are too small for you, you can donate them. This will help make the world happier.
Wow!
Wow, what a wonderful slide! Don't forget to look after yourself. We're leaving soon.
Where should I put it?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow, you clean up the table.
Oops.
You need to tie down here.
Okay. All done.
Okay, we can go now.
Always clean up after yourself.
And things should be put in their places. What's wrong, Emma? Why are you sad?
I need green pen, but it's all gone.
Oh, but you have yellow and blue paint.
So what?
You can mix them together and get green.
Really?
Let me show you. Look, it turned out green.
Wow, it's really turned green. Thank you for the help, Mia. It's damaged. I can't throw it away.
Why is there toothpaste in the trash?
It seems to be over.
I think you use it incorrectly. Start squeezing from the end on the tube. That's it.
Wow, there are a lot of toothpaste. Wow! Who did this? So that's who did it. Don't worry. I won't punish you. It's my own fault. I left my things on the floor. Ha! Aha!
Stop! You can't flush that down the toilet.
Why not?
Because the toilet isn't a trash. Well done, you're right!